Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. I have it in the shade Paarty with 3 A's, and the description of this product online says that it's infused with natural clay harvested from the banks of the Amazon River and naturally baked by the sun. This nutrient-rich blush benefits all skin types for a fade-free flawless finish that lasts an amazing 12 hours, inspired by Tarte's best-selling shades of cheek stains and lip tints. The colors range from soft to vivid to suit a wide variety of skin tones. For oily skin types, Amazonian Clay minimizes oil in and around pores to balance skin and keep product in place. Those with dry skin will benefit from the clay's nourishing and hydrating properties, which naturally restores skin's moisture. Combination skin types can rely on its stability to zero in on skin concerns and deliver benefits to restore complexion harmony. The results: a blush that wears better, longer, and truer. So that was a really long description that they have. That description was from Amazon, but even then I think that it's really interesting that where they even got, like, I wonder where they even got the idea to get clay from the Amazon River. Like, it's just really interesting, and I think very future forward in that. So this is a travel size that I have, so it's just the blush. It doesn't come in a palette, and it's pretty small, like it fits right in the palm of my hand. So it's a really nice size to just throw in your bag, and it fits fine. It's pretty flat and it's round, so I think that makes for it to like fit into any space pretty easily. Even with it being small though, it lasts a long time because it's really pigmented, which I'll show you in a moment. It's very pigmented, so you don't need a lot of the product when you use it. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and open it and show you the product itself. It has a really cute design in there. I have used it so you can't really totally see it, but I think that the design is supposed to mimic the Amazon River with like palm tree leaves on the sides. But so there is the color, as you can see. You can kind of see it. Like, it, the camera honestly doesn't do it justice, but it is pretty pigmented. Like, you can already see that just a little bit that I put on my finger and I'm rubbing on, like, it's pretty pink. And I will say that this color leans more to like a peach than a pink. I like it, but I think I would like one that was more pink. So it does come in different shades, but I'm not sure what shade I would use, just because I thought that this one was pretty pink, but it's a bit actually more peachy. So just be aware of that if you're going to buy it online, that it is a little bit not so pink. But it's very, very high quality, and like I said, a little really does go a long way with this product. But like, a little goes a long way, and it does have very nice pigment to it. It's very high quality, but it's not super vibrant, so like, just be aware of that. There are some other blushes out there that are much more vibrant, so if you're looking for something that's really going to give you like a huge pop of color, this is going to be a little bit more on the subtle side. It also really is long lasting. It says 12 hours, and it really does last that long, probably even longer. I know a lot of times with like other blushes that I've used, by the end of the day I can't tell that I am wearing any blush. My skin has kind of all faded, my makeup has all kind of faded to like one color, and that's the color of my foundation. But this really does last a while, so that's probably my favorite part about this, is when I apply it after I apply foundation, is that it really lasts. The longevity of this blush is just like, it's just really great. I also like that it's great for all skin types, which I think is something that not a lot of people think about when it comes to like blush. They think about it when it comes to skincare products and to like foundation, maybe even like setting powder. But I feel like blush and highlighters and bronzers and things like that, people don't tend to think about whether it's going to be good for their skin type And I think that a lot of companies don't think about that either. They kind of just say, alright, everyone's gonna be able to wear this. Like, it's not like really, doesn't really have any properties in it that specifically benefit any one skin type. But so I really like that they went into how it works, for what it'll do for oily skin types, for dry skin types, for combination skin types. And then of course they didn't mention anything about normal skin types, but if you have normal skin type, then you're pretty much good to use mostly any product. So yes, there's that. And yeah, I really like this product, and I would highly recommend it, and especially like in this travel size, because it's gonna last you a while anyway. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.